Hi everyone, welcome back to iNvicta for Kids. Today we're going to talk about something very important, and that is responsibility. So what does responsibility mean to you, Vic? That's right, Vic. Responsibility means doing the things you need to do even if they're not fun or easy, like sweeping the floor or doing the dishes. You may be wondering why I'm wearing a chef hat and Vic's wearing an apron and holding a mixing bowl and spoon. Well, that's because today we're going to bake a responsibility cake. Are you ready, Vic? Let's go. Let's make this responsibility cake. The first ingredient is planning. When we plan ahead, we can make sure we're ready for anything that comes our way. Let me pour an imaginary cup of planning into the bowl and you can start mixing. Yeah, Vic. Nice work, Vic. The next ingredient is taking action. Once we have a plan, we need to take action and actually do the things we need to do. That makes sense, Vic? Okay, let me crack an imaginary taking action egg into the bowl and you can mix it in there. Yeah, great job, Vic. I like it. The last ingredient is accountability. That means taking responsibility for our actions and being accountable for the things we do. Now, I'll add not 1, not 2, but 3 tablespoons of accountability to the bowl. Are you ready? Yeah! This is because we can never be too accountable, Vic. Make sure you stir all that in. Okay, perfect. Let's bake this responsibility cake. You ready? I'm gonna open this imaginary oven door for you. You got it? Put it in there. Okay. Okay, good job, Vic. I like it. Oh, might want to close it now. Okay. While we wait for our delicious responsibility cake to bake, let's talk about some fun ways to be responsible. One way is to take care of our pets. We need to make sure they have food and water and take them for walks and play with them. I love how you always take care of your pet dog, Precious. Another way to be responsible is to help out around the house. We can do our chores like cleaning our room, helping our parents with laundry. I love how you are always being responsible doing your chores, Vic. I love it. And finally, we can be responsible by being honest and telling the truth even when it's hard. You agree, Vic? All right, let's check on our responsibility cake. You ready, Vic? Hey, be careful. Be hot. Don't burn yourself. Okay. Wow. Looks like it's done. Let's taste it. You ready? No, Vic. What are you doing? No, not again, Vic. It was delicious, wasn't it? And that's how you make a responsibility cake, kids. But we do need to work on your table manners, Vic. One day, right? Maybe. Remember, kids, being responsible is important and can help you succeed in life. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching. Join us next time for more fun and ridiculous adventures on iNvicta for Kids.